Bella, abrazo, abrazo, abrazo. Come. Oh, baby. Look how big she is. Beso, beso, mama. You're so big. Who is my Melinda? Very bango naman this baby. Are you okay? You made dulas because you're so fluffy. It's okay. Come here. Okay. Sus. Okay. Are you okay? Bella, pagod? This is my Bella. Look at how big her paws are. This is my hand. And this is Bella's paw. You see when she stands, you got your legs, love. Your paws. You got dulas. Mama massage you. Beso, mama. Beso. You takot? Are we? Are we good girl? Huh? Oh, baby. Are we? Oh, what hurts? Nadulas siya kasi slippery dahil yung look at the paws, baby. The paws. Mama loves the paws. You're so bango naman. Very oh, this is the awis. This is the awis. That's why you're giving it to mama. Oh, baby, you got gula because you made dulas. Can you hear, Wookie? Oh, excuse me, we have a problem. Kasi po, ang patay na patay ka, Bella. Di ba, Yaya? Ang pinakamalaking aso ko po ito. She's a giant silver poodle who flew in from Taiwan. Ang patay na patay sa kanya, yung pinakamaliit kong aso, si Toby. Oh my God! Crush siya ni Toby. Ang ganda sana, di ba? Maltese at saka poodle. Di sana Maltipose yung mga anak. Kaya mukhang mga daga tatay. Kasi laki lang itong paw niya. Oh yes, it's Awil. Okay, mama massage. Okay, you're giving it to me. Natakot talaga. Kanina ang sigla-sigla na tulas. Oh, are you okay? Are you okay? Sa Awil, where pa? Here? Massage? Massage, mama. Okay. You're so beautiful. Look at those beautiful eyes. Laki na niya, no? That's my Bella, everybody. Say bye, everybody. Beso, beso, mama. I don't feel like it. You are we?